This is how you succeed on social media in 2023. If you want to explode your views, followers engagement, and reach on social media in 2023, these are the only strategies you need to follow. Number 1. Teach people something. If you want to become successful really fast on social media, you need to provide value. There's just no two ways about it. Value can be in different forms. It could be you teaching people how to cook, or if you are a musician, you can give music lessons. Whatever, it is that people will go away with something after watching your video and look forward to more. That is value. That is the best and easiest way to find an audience and build community. If you are helping people to achieve something or solving their problems, you will grow very quickly. But you need to know what people want to know in the first place for you to know how to teach them and give them contents around it. So use tools like Answer the Public and Google Trend to explore what the world is searching for. Also, Keywords Anywhere lets you know keyword search volume. After that, then start making videos that teach people about those things. Questions people ask differ. It could be a how-to, what if, or when will questions. Just follow those questions about that keyword, and I guarantee you will blow up because you are addressing people's needs. And then if you keep posting more of what people want, you start to build up a big collection of content that is just always evergreen and people relate to. Number 2. Choose your niche or try out 2 for 1. It can be difficult to figure out what type of videos you want to create. Hence, too many people want to share too many things they are passionate about all at once on social media. Don't be like that. You'll get people confused about what your content is all about. Even the algorithm wouldn't know the right sort of people to show your videos to consistently. The days of talking about weather today and talking about cake the next day are long gone. Those were the early days of social media. Social media platforms want to feed people what they want, so help them to know the right people to feed your content to. Today, success on social media depends heavily on niching down to something specifically. When you've done that, then start adding your own unique creativity to your own unique content. Another thing about adding your own creativity is that you can uniquely deliver what I call 2 for 1 video. 2 niches together at the same time in a video. Some creators uniquely deliver makeup and tell true crime stories together in a single video. They simply tell their stories while they are also applying makeup. You can also tell a true crime story while doing DIY or even while painting also. You are giving people 2 values at the same time. Viewers are patiently waiting to see what will come out of your painting while listening to an intriguing story. They deliver 2 for 1 value. Some gamers also do this. They tell interesting stories while playing video games at the same time. What you should not do is make DIY videos today, and then crime stories in the next one. Number 3. Use social media as your social resume. You have a unique story to share with the world, so start using social media to share what makes you special. You see, many people think that the only way to be successful on social media is by getting millions of followers, then partnering with big brands, and then money will start rolling in. No! There is another way that many people don't consider, and that is using your social media for a visual resume with your audience. Look, as you start teaching people and start getting traction, many people will start looking up on you. They want to know who you are, and to answer that, you need to use your social media as a visual resume for people to see who you are, what you can do, what you are capable of, and your personality. Your social media account will then give you opportunity to speak, collaborate with the brands, and more opportunities you wouldn't have had using the traditional work resume that makes you seem to be forcing yourself on them. Number 4. Use the crack method. What is the crack method? The crack method simply means to succeed on social media. You need to first create an audience, which simply means you are getting views from the audience. Then you need to turn the audience into community, and then keep that community. Whatever you are doing, whatever you are teaching people and providing answers to their questions about, as long as you are doing them well, following the right hacks, and very consistent, you will get views. But don't stop there. Move to the next level, which is turning the audience into a community. If you are having an audience, start building a community of togetherness, rituals, identities, belonging, and engagements. No matter your niche, engaging with your community is critical. You can send messages to the community, teach them something depending on your niche. Your strong community will usually buy from you if you sell merchandise or sign up to a course, which means you can make even more income. Number 5. Tell authentic stories through original content. The number 1 tool of success on social media is storytelling. Find unique content and then work on great production for it. No matter what the content is all about, whether it's a beauty video, vlog, DIY, or even workout routine. Make videos that stand out. Structure your videos to have a beginning, middle, and an end. This way, viewers will want to stay and watch till the end. It is very important to know how to tell your story authentically. As you continue in your videos, just look at your data. Check the parts that are most replayed, where people dropped off, and at what point of your video did they stay on the most. You will realize that the parts people stay the most or replayed the most are where you told authentic stories. Just continue to replicate and create more of where people enjoyed the most. Authenticity drives emotions, and emotions drives engagement and conversions. You also have to understand that each platforms have different culture. The way to tell story on each of the platforms and the emotion of viewers are different on each platform, but overall, people are drawn to an authentic storyteller. If you can't do this, you can't win at all. In addition to this, consider using creative effects and tools that will bring your content to life. From lighting to sound effects, sky's the limit. Number 6. Consistency is key. Having said all these, you need to be able to plan your content and be extremely consistent. Nothing takes anyone far in life other than consistency. It is the tool that will take you far in many places in life generally and on social media. You have to be consistent across every aspect of your videos for your audience to recognize you. Being consistent allows you to grow in audience engagement and reach. These social media platforms, if you think about it, like they want users on the platform so as to be able to sell more advertising. So you as a creator, you have to be able to create content consistently because those platforms will reward you, and over time, your growth will compound. Be consistent in your video styles once you have found the winning style. When Cabe Lame found a style that worked for him, which is to never speak a word, at first he might have thought, everyone talks in their videos, so why am I doing this? You know what? With consistency, he found success. Use consistent tone, consistent content strategy, and consistently post. Providing steady videos gives you the opportunity to build a loyal viewership who are looking forward to your videos. However, there are two things that are very important to note about consistency. It's very important to post the winning formula video, and also don't let it keep you from experimenting with your videos. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and also subscribe. Put the notification bell on so you don't miss our next insightful videos.